Hello, my name is Tony Igboamalu. I'm 28 years old. I'm a chemical engineer. I have a master's degree in chemical engineering. I also have other qualifications such as a project management basic, which will lead me to project management professional examination. Currently, I'm a doctorate student at University of Pretoria. What inspired me to study engineering, or should I say my career path in engineering, started when I was 10 years old. When I went to the church, and my pastor said a verse I read in the Bible which said that after the creation of the world, God handed over the tools to engineers. So I started thinking about that. So when I asked my pastor about that, he said, yes, of course. After the creation of the world, God gave engineers the tools to continue. So I started thinking about imagining how it looks like for God to give an engineer the tools to continue the creation. I did my matric, I got to the university. I was this kind of student that always believed I get what I want. I can go extra mile. I can do anything to get what I want. And I set a goal that I want to be the best student, and that really worked out for me very well. And it tells me more about setting goals. And I've learned that anything you want to do in this life, you must have a goal. You have to set a goal for yourself. You need to work towards that, which is exactly what I did. In 2011, when I came here, I was told that no, I cannot be admitted to the School of Engineering for a year. And I said, why? They said I need to prove myself, which is also something that inspire me. I love it when people challenge me. I love challenges. I want to be part of challenges. I don't like doing something that is easy. I want it hard. I love it when something is very, very hard. I love to think out of the box. I love to do it. I need to push on. But before then, in 2011, I got a job in one of the good consulting companies in South Africa called Gold Associate. There in the company, I was exposed to design. I was exposed to different treatment technologies. I was exposed to working with professionals in chemical engineering. I was exposed to a lot. And I had to go back and finish my master's research at the University of Pretoria, on which I left the company. I went back to school in 2012 to start my master's research. And while I was studying master's research in 2012, I was given a topic that has never been done before. But you have to do that, which is also a challenge I've learned in my life. I never give up when it comes to things. This research has never been done anywhere. It's never been done by anyone, which is bioreduction of chromium 6 in the presence of arsenic. I was able to, at the end of my master's research, I was able to find a way of reducing chromium 6 in the presence of arsenic. Part of the research was presented in the United States, and some of them were also published. I've got about one published paper now, and I also got about 3 in peer review now. And at the end of the day, I also went to Czech Republic to present my research. At the same time, while I was doing that, I got a job in Aqua Engineering, where I was taken to Botswana to be the assistant site engineer that involved with commissioning and on other activities on site. It was a very tough time in my career at that point in time. And when I finished that project, I was promoted and I was brought to Meru Power Plant, which is one of the largest power plants in Africa, to become the assistant site engineer. While I was doing that, I was writing my thesis. I had to wake up at night, spend like 4 to 3 hours for my research. That tells me a lot about myself. That tells me I was able to do that because I have the ability to multitask. After 4 months of working with a site engineer, I was promoted to become the site engineer. Under my supervision, water treatment plant here at the Meru Power Plant was commissioned, and we are in the process of handing over. Unit 6 was also commissioned. Unit 5 was also started from the scratch. We finished it, and now we also busy with Unit 4. I manage engineering activities on site, making sure that construction is done according to design, making sure that the cost of production is kept low as possible. Under my supervision, water treatment plants was commissioned and handed over to the client. Under my supervision, we are able to commission Unit C. At least right now in South Africa, we can boast of producing 800 megawatts of electricity, which will prevent load shedding. Wow, that is good. That is wonderful. I'm so happy to be there. I'm so happy to do that. So this is one of those things that I'm so proud to do, that I was able to give people light. Under my supervision, that was done. However, in Meru Power Plant, I've learned a lot of engineering. I was involved in construction. I was involved in project management. Was involved with project engineering. I was involved with commissioning. I was involved with design. I was involved with all aspects of engineering. I managed to integrate research and site experience, and that made me an outstanding engineer to the rest of the engineers in the world. I love teamwork, and which is the major thing in all industries. Without teamwork, you cannot make it. I was very excited when I heard about Insight. Insight is one of the best companies through my research that involved with innovation. It's about critical thinking. It's about energy sustainability. It's about working with people, working with professionals. It's about teamwork, which is a best place to be when it comes to my career path now, because I'm trying to move into project engineering. But the next stage, I see myself as a project engineer, which is involved with cost evaluation, which is involved with business sustainability, which involved with which involved with talking with the client, which involved with expanding business. Right now, Insight is a good company in the sense that they're based in energy sustainability. They're very good professional engineers. They've got very good teamwork. They've got a lot of very good energy sustainability business is going in the world, which is somewhere that I would really love to be, to expand my knowledge, to expand my skill, and also to practice what I've learned so far in my career. I make sure I do whatever it takes to get something done. I'm a hardworking engineer. I give all when it comes to work. I'm looking forward to be a project engineer at Insight. Thank you very much.